Dear students, in last video we have discussed about the alkylation and acylation of amine and chemical properties of going on. So in this sequence we will talk about the next reaction with chloroform. Reaction with chloroform. This reaction is also known as Carville-amine reaction. Carville-amine reaction. This reaction is also known as Carville-amine reaction. In this reaction, 1 degree amine react with chloroform and KOH. But this KOH used as alcoholic KOH, and upon heating it gives alkyl isocyanide. It is also known as alkyl carbylamine. It is also known as alkyl carbylamine and forms KCl. This is the reaction Carville-amine reaction. Only 1 degree amines gives this reaction. 1 degree amines gives this reaction. In place of R, we can use phenyl group, and it will be also known as aniline. Which react with chloroform and KOH alcoholic, which upon heating forms phenyl isocyanide plus KCl plus H2O. Name of this compound will be phenyl isocyanide. And next chemical properties is reaction with nitrous acid. Formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. This reaction is also used to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. This reaction also used to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. When 1 degree amine RNH2 react with HNO2 in presence of NaNO2HCl, then it forms ROH plus N2 plus H2O. It forms alcohol. This is the product alcohol. But in case of 2 degree amine, R2NH, this is the general formula of 2 degree amine. When react with HNO2, then it forms nitrosamine. This is single bond and this is double bond. Nitrosamine. Name of this compound will be nitrosamine. And in case of 3 degree amine, R3N react with HNO2, then it forms trialkyl ammonium nitrite. Name of this compound will be trialkyl ammonium nitrite. Okay, so this reaction also used in the distinguishing of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine.